Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are fermenting garlic. You're going to want this in your pantry. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Alright, let's get started on today's video. Okay, so what you're going to need, I want to reference a book by Rosemary Gladstar. It's called The Medical Herbs. If you do not have this book in your collection, I'm going to put a link down for this book down in the description below. Please use my link if you don't have this book. That helps me out, keep my affiliate link with Amazon going. You need this book. It's not an expensive book, but it has all the medical herbs and different stuff that you can use. But this is some of the things that it talks about that that garlic is good for. It talks about, it's builds up your immune system. It's good for high blood pressure. It's good for asthma. It's good for type 2 diabetes. It's good for your immune system. And it just gives you a whole list. But it also, honey, especially local honey. When you go to the store and it says local honey, like I go to my local grocery store and it says, oh, it's local honey, that just means that it's bought in Texas. Find someone local, like to your local area. This came from Conroe, Texas, so I know it's actual local honey. So to do this fermented garlic, what you need to do, I don't know how much. I had like 3 cloves of garlic that we did here. And you just need enough honey to cover your cloves. And this is raw honey. And you're going to let it set up for about 3 weeks. You can kind of eat this at any time. This is kind of set up in my cabinet just a little bit, but you don't want to put it in the microwave because that actually kills any good stuff in your honey. So I'm just going to kind of be patient with it for a minute. So good. You can actually taste the pine in this honey because we've got a lot of pine trees in our area. That's how I know it's local. See if I can get a spoon and kind of... I could set this in some warm water, but you never want to put it in the microwave or anything because it just... There we go. That destroys your honey. But you just want to cover your cloves of garlic up, loosely put a lid on it, and put it in a dark place. And then every day, I'm going to tighten my lid down and turn it over to just make sure that my garlic stays covered. And then in about a month, it'll be ready to eat. Then if one of us gets sick, or even as a preventative, we'll eat a clove of garlic. And it just makes it more palatable to eat the cloves of garlic. And it is so good for you. Like I said, I'm going to link this book in the description below. Pick this book up if it's not already in your collection. This is definitely one that you want. All right, that's all I've got for you today in today's video. Go ahead and make this up. Between the elderberry, the fire cider, things like this. This is stuff, guys, that is better than any antibiotic nearly that you can have. This is nature's antibiotic. So, definitely have this up in your pantry. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen.